Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is unbox a Tangem wallet. This is a 3-card set, and even more importantly, this is one of the new versions. This is the Shades of Winter. So if you guys are interested in picking up a Tangem wallet, all you have to do is head over to the link tree. It is pinned down in the comments below, as well as in the description of every single video. So guys, scroll down, head over to Tangem Wallet. You can also pick up a Tangem ring, which I love. So I'm never going to promote anything on this channel that I don't believe in, like, and or use. So every hardware wallet that I talk about, I love. So especially if I'm doing multiple videos, you guys know I'm interested. So if you guys head over here, this is the one that we are unboxing. So it is going to be the Shades of Winter. So soon I'm going to cut to the overhead and we're going to unbox this. On top of that, I'm going to be doing another setup video, this time using a seed phrase. So in the past, that was not available. So I think there's a lot of potential upside. So going forward, guys, check out these links. You could also pick up the ring, but we're going to be unboxing this 3-card set. So without further ado, let's cut over to the overhead and let's get loose. All right, guys, so now we are going to unbox the Tangem wallet. And before we get going, guys, make sure that nothing looks suspicious when you receive your wallet through the mail. So here it looks like it's perfectly sealed. And make sure that when you do order a wallet or a ring, that you order from a reputable source. So if you guys are using my link tree, for example, you guys can save 10% off, but more importantly, you know that it's going to be coming from the Tangem website. All right, so what we're gonna do is get an X-Acto knife, and let's do a couple little cuts there. And let's get this wallet unboxed. So it does feel good. It feels very premium. And it looks good. It feels like a nice Apple product, so to speak. So here you got 3 cards. Gotta shake it loose. Get loose, baby. Oh! Look at that. So that's the moose's fault for shaking it. Beautiful. So here we got 3 cards. And if we compare that, this is the original. So definitely a lot more vibrant, a lot more colors going on. They're the exact same size. I would say the blue one feels more flimsy, but I do like it. So if you guys do want to get started, if you do want to set up a Tangem wallet, what I recommend you to do is head over to the channel, check out my setup videos. There I created a brand new video on how you can set up your Tangem wallet and use your seed phrase. So in the case that you ever lose all of your cards, it doesn't matter, you can regenerate your wallet. Guys, I must say, I am impressed. If you're looking for a more vibrant, colorful wallet, the Tangem card is very nice. All right, guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Comment whatever questions or video ideas that you guys have. Put them down below and the moose will get loose on that. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.